This is George Reid with the McPherson College Cars Club here interviewing Zack Alexander. Zack, what are we sitting on right now?
It's a 72 Nova. It's pretty stock. It's a 350 engine, turbo 350 automatic. And
We are the engine.
yep, that's basically it right now.
How long have you had the car?
I've had it for about 3.5 years. Bought it in 2015 and tore it apart that year. So
Did you drive it before you tore it apart?
yeah, I drove it until it got a flat camshaft. So then I just tore the whole car apart at that point.
I gotta ask, what color have we gone with here?
It's similar to a blue from that era on the car, but it's definitely a newer style of blue because it has a lot of metallic, a lot of pearl. I just like it so much because it's not a Chevelle, it's a muscle car.
So down the road, after you get it assembled, let's go 5 years maybe. Where do you see this car?
Well, I'll still have the car for sure. I think I'm gonna have it forever. My goal is to have it driving a year from now. So,
You going with classic restoration versus muscle build or anything?
well, it's a resto mod. It'll look original, but it'll definitely drive much better than original.
Thanks for letting us take a look at this thing. I can't wait to see it on the car show green. Should look good out there.
Yeah, thank you.